Like always, don't try this at home, but I'm going to try and functionally test the detector once my lighter will light. Hold up. Got it. Here we go. Let this burn a bit. That might not do it. Yeah, yep. Probably shouldn't hit reset. Slowly but surely. Okay, just bring it up here. Oh, that was quick. That was pretty quick. Alright, I think you get the gist by now. Don't try this at home. If this were addressable, it would probably be in pre-alarm right now. Oh! Like always, don't try this at home. I guess that's all we're getting. There we go.